What is a pawn break in chess? A lot of people don't know it, and this is a good strategy to have, especially if you need help forming a plan. And so, in a close position like this, a pawn break is used to take down a pawn chain. So, for white, you have two main pawn breaks. You have this one, which is the f5 pawn break to destroy this e6 pawn, or the b3 pawn break to destroy the pawn chain. But usually you want to go after the base, so the f pawn break would be more powerful than the b3 pawn break. For black, it's basically the opposite. So it would be the f6 pawn break and the b5, a5, b4 pawn break. You usually attack where your pawn chain is directed towards. So black would be attacking on the queen side and white would be attacking on the king side. And that is what a pawn break is.